Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in Liebherr brand humidifier. This machine having problem actually not reaching to set temperature the cooling, but humidity volume is coming increasing. We can decrease and increase, but temperature is not working. That's mean we are suspecting compressor not working. Because of that we collected to the workshop. Now I'm going to check what is the problem exactly. We have to check back of the cover, we have to remove and check the compressor and any leakage or something. The problem with the cooling section only, but humidity section is working. But anyway, we will check properly and we will go to the next step. Now we have to remove the back cover. Here all the screws we have to remove. I already remove all the screws. Now we can take it out back cover. Here this one it will come, this filter. You have to careful, you have to think about that. Now we can keep like that. Now we have to check here. It is earlier somebody removed this cover. You can see. Now the problem, we have to check the compressor continuity. Also here any leakage, and also this is a starting capacitor. This one also somebody repaired before or replaced. Now we have to check that one also. And this one 1.3 microfarad capacitor. This is starting capacitor actually. Now we have to check everything. Why is compressor not working? Why is not making cool? We will remove first compressor connector, and after that we can identify. We have to check the compressor continuity. Now I am going to remove compressor relay contact, relay and all-out. We can check now compressor continuity. Now we have to check first, we have to check all-out and relay contactor, and after that we can check compressor continuity. And first of all we will check the all-out. Here all-out continuity, you can see it is okay. Also PTC relay, the PTC relay also okay. This one starting, yeah, this is starting capacitor. Now we will check the compressor continuity here. Continuity showing 10.18. This is starter. Also this is common with running. This is starting winding. It is for showing 21.2. Also running 10 point showing, but compressor also okay. But we will check next ground compressor. If it is grounding, it will definitely come breaker tripping, but this machine no any problem. Now we will fix. Now we have to check the starting capacitor. This capacitor we will check. This capacitor is not showing actually. So might this capacitor go on actually because of that compressor not getting start. We will replace the another capacitor and we will check. Now I found I'm going to replace the capacitor. This is the same volume 1.3 microfarad. This is old one. Anyway, we will fix this one and we will check with this capacitor. If it is compressor starting, it's okay. Now we have to fix this one. Very careful we have to fix. Now it's okay. Now we will give power connection and we will check. If it is start compressor, our job will be finished. And now I'm giving power connection. Compressor, if it is start. Now I already given power. Now we will start here. This is on off switch. You can see it is already on. Now it's showing here humidity 68%. Humidity percentage is 68. Now it's showing the temperature, cooling temperature showing 40. Now if it is compressor start, it should come down. Now this is malfunctioning actually. This one you can see the both lights are blinking, alarm and this one. Now we have to fill up the water here. This tray we have to fill up the water and we will fill the water here. And after that we have to enter the tray properly. And now it's okay. Now it's already locked here. Now we can close the door. Now it's okay. Now it's alarm coming because of the door open. Now we can close the door. Now it should come down temperature. If it is compressor okay, now we will check again compressor working or whether compressor working or not. Now we can check compressor whether working or not. Now we will check the ampere here. Now you can see here 0.2 ampere showing. That's mean compressor is working. Now still I am not feeling. We will check with the discharge. Should come warm, hot. Yes, I think yeah it is working actually. Now it's increased ampere 0.6. That's mean compressor is working. Now within few minutes we can identify, we can check the temperature coming down or not. While we are starting time, at the same time it shows 40 degrees Celsius inside. Now we can check if it is decreasing, mean compressor starting or also making cool. Now we will check after few minutes later if it should actually come down temperature. Yes, condenser is getting warm now. Now you can see here this humidity, volume and temperature we can set. Here I am going to set temperature here 17 temperature, and also yes I am going to select we can set temperature here up to 20 only, but at the same time it's showing internally temperature is 40. Now I'm going to select this one. I'm keeping 17, and humidity I'm going to keep 70. Now we will check what will happen within few minutes. Now you can see this one, it came down. Actually earlier it's temperature 40 degrees Celsius. Now it's came up to 25. Now I already set temperature 17. Within few minutes will come down. After that, this alarm it will get stopped, and we will see until getting off. After that, our job will be complete. We will wait until coming, which is set temperature, and we will check later. Hi dear friends, now you can see the temperature which is I set. Humidity 70. Humidity percentage is 70 now. The temperature, inner temperature is came, which is I set temperature 17. It came until 17. Now it's not blinking any light. That's mean alarm not coming. It's stable. Now unit is ready. This humidifier we can return to the customer. And thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel again.